Hello everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make cream cheese pound cake. I will mention the ingredients for the full recipe but only be making half of the recipe. For this recipe you would need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 6 large eggs at room temperature, 1.5 cups of 340 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 to 3/4 cups, which is 550 grams of granulated white sugar, 1 to 8 ounces, which is 226 grams packaged cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2.5 teaspoons pure vanilla extract, zest of 1 lemon or orange. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and baking soda. In an electric mixer or with a hand mixer, beat the butter and cream cheese until smooth. Gradually add the sugar, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Continue beating on medium-high speed until light and fluffy, which will take about 5 minutes. Next, add the vanilla and lemon zest and beat until incorporated. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Next, add the flour mixture in 3 parts and mix just until incorporated. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then taking a pan, butter and flour the sides of the pan or add parchment paper. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. You will bake for about 55 to 70 minutes or until the cake is golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Full recipe will serve 12 to 14 people. Tap the pan to remove any air bubbles. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye now.